I'm Molly, and we're thrilled with our Green Knight metal roof.
We had a great experience with Green Knight. I'm a very hands-on person, so the ability to text not only Joel but also the project management team at Green Knight was very helpful. Not only were they on time on a daily basis, everything was spotless when they'd leave at night, from cleaning up the old roof coming off, new roof going on. Not only were they on time and clean, they also helped us from beginning to end on the project, from insurance on the front side all the way to making suggestions throughout to make sure that we were doing the best possible thing for our home long term. I think what was incredible for Molly and I as we were watching the project come together was the amount of hand fabrication and the attentiveness and care that go into properly fitting the roof for the home.
Green Knight did a great job. We love the look of our new roof. It's been a huge update to our house that's a little bit on the older side. It's just a really cool, kind of modern, cleaner look. We get compliments on it all the time. People driving by, and we've already shared the Green Knight contact info with lots of people in the neighborhood.